Josh adds so much to this song that I can't really play it without him anymore. And it's such an honor to be able to play it with this guy. So. Service, the telephone wire, there were passenger pigeons to take your words of hire. Now walkie-talkies, fiber optic repeat, there were infinite channels between you and me. Pretty baby, it was a knock upon my door. It don't matter how you said it, you don't love me no more. You don't love me no more. You don't love me no more. I can hijack the airwaves, say I want you back. I could put us in a novel and rewrite the past. 'Cause strip the words behind the long airplane and wait for an answer to come back again. Find the words I'm looking for. It don't matter how I say it, you don't love me no more. Swim across the sea, plant a little kiss on your cheek for me. Could write you a letter and cross all my T's and put it in the belly of a great submarine. Pretty baby, if my words never reach the shore, it don't matter if I say it, you don't love me no more. I put on you on every city road. I have the stars blotted out in a brilliant Morse code. Would make no difference, pretty baby, you don't love me no more. It don't matter, pretty baby, you don't love me no more. You don't love me no more. You don't love me no more. You don't love
just did one of my songs. I think we gotta do one of Josh's songs. What do you guys think? This is off of his new record, and I was so honored that he asked me to sing on it with him. And you guys are like the third audience that has ever heard us sing together, so.
You may not see us sing it together, but...
Yeah.